Alright, to replace the ignition lock switch, when you're doing it, you take off this top cover and this bottom cover. There might be some screws in the bottom. This one didn't have any screws. They pop off. And you'll take the ignition out after you disconnect the battery. There's a hole right here. You stick an Allen key in here and pull the ignition out at the same time. You turn it forward towards the start position to push that in. That's when you use an Allen key like that, sticking it in the hole, and this whole mechanism will come out. After that, you pull this off. It's got clips on the sides. And it fits only in one direction with this flat part here. I already put the new one in, but there's this little white piece here too. You turn that triangle part inwards. You turn it right to take it off and pull it up, and to put it in, you just turn it to the left. So that triangle piece is here and it can't move up or down. And then you got to follow the instructions that you get of the position to have this. You got to turn it all the way to the right and have the ignition switch here turned where the largest space in the gear is exposed. And then to put it back together, just have to line this up again so your ignition lock cylinder fits in this groove and in with that turning mechanism there. So and then you just click it all back together and connect your batteries back together.